Have you been wondering how you see some very beautiful pictures and you ask yourself, how did they do this? I'll be showing us how to do it. The first step, go to this place they wrote Play Store on your phone. Play Store here. This one, Play Store. Click on it. When it opens, just go to here, your search, and then you type in background eraser. Background eraser. Okay? This one. And then you click on search. It will open up for you. Next one, you find the arrow. This one, that's the one. You click on it, it will open. When it opens, it will show you install. Mine is showing me open because I have it, but your own is going to show you install. So what do? You click on it and you install it. But because I have it, I'll be clicking on open. So by the time it opens, you're going to ask yourself a question. What do I want to do here and how do I use it? Just go to this part. When it opens, you're going to see this part they wrote create. Just click on it. It will open. Now it's going to show you all your pictures you have. You're going to pick the picture you would like to use. So I'll just be picking this picture. Now, the moment you click on the picture, it will automatically erase the background for you. So there's no more background. You remember when I brought this picture, it had something like flowers on it or something. But now you can see there is nothing. Because we're using the free one, there are a lot of things we cannot do. But if you want to pay for it, you can go ahead and pay for it. You can use this for now. The free one is also very good. So if you click on this, it's going to change the background. What do we want to still do here? If you notice, the moment it was done, it left some things here. So we'll be clicking on this one written eraser. Then when you pick it, it will come. Look at it. You can just move it with your hand. Just put your hand on it and move it. Now you are going to come here where you see the excess of what you have. If you feel it's too big, just come and reduce the size here so that you don't destroy all your picture. So just remove the excess you can find, but be very careful. So I've removed the excess. It's done. But a lot of things will not work because you did not pay for it. But I want you to notice something. If I mistakenly delete, you can see I mistakenly cleaned it. Have you seen it? So what do? You just go to this part here and just click on that. So when you click on it, it will restore everything back. Then you take your eraser and remove the excess again. So anything that happens, just make sure you go to back and it will restore it again for you. The next step is showing you good. And then it will save it for me. You're going to see something showing like this. Don't worry. Just click on close. Now the picture is ready. Just use your hand and hold it. You can increase it. You can see. You can reduce it. And it's okay. Look at this. You're going to see that there's shadow on this picture. Just go to this part, the row shadow, and click to remove the shadow. Just go here and you click to remove the shadow. Now, if you want to add background, maybe you don't like the way it is, you just increase it, you can reduce it. But I'll tell you not to increase too much because sometimes you go to some platforms, you will need to increase it to the size of the platform. So don't increase it too much. Now, if you check under here, you're going to see background here. So what do? You just click on it and it will show you different types of background. You have the white background, you have the black background, you have the green, the red, the blue, the purple, the yellow, and so on. So many colors. So just make sure you choose the background you prefer for colors. Then if we're talking about landscape, you go to the ones, anyone you see the crown is paid one. You can click on this. You can see I've put her in the forest, so she's in the forest. On the road, maybe she stood and she snapped somewhere like this. There are a lot of things you can do here. So yours is just to pick the one you prefer, but we'll be picking a plain background because our aim is to use it for a lot of things. So you can just use it, leave it like this, and then you click on save. You don't have a lot of options, so don't try to use the ones with the crown because they are paid ones. But even with the free one, you still have options. You can come here and skip this video, and this part where there is X, here where you have X, just click it, and if you watch, it's showing saved. It has saved. So you click on the home, you're done. Then you go back to your gallery. You go back to your gallery and you see the picture here. You click on it. So this is the picture. The same picture that had a background is the same picture now that has no background. So you can use it and put in any of your videos a picture without anything. So this is how it will come. I'm going to be showing you my YouTube channel and how I use this kind of clean background to put a picture. So let me show you guys. You can see this my video written how to earn $4,000 from TikTok. You can see it has a black background. There's nothing on it. This video, nothing on it. So that is how you do it. You can also see here my YouTube picture as well. You can also see this one. You can see this one is even on top of the write-up, and you can see nothing on it. This is how you remove a background. So go and start making your pictures professional. This is how you use a background eraser to make your pictures professional. Make sure you follow, like, share. Kindly put your challenges in the comment section and watch that video of how I made $4,000 from TikTok. Time is currency. Be focused. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
1 million naira. Even the person shouted. The person said, I've been hearing you say you make money on TikTok. I have seen it with my eyes. 1 million naira in the person's life.
Same here, same here. Same here. Even me, I can testify to that.